Hello, so I'm gonna put a knob on a lid right now. So this is how it goes. I've got the wheel head a little bit wet so that when I've tap centered the lid in the middle of the wheel so it's spinning true, I can tap it down and a little suction clamping happens. So I can then trim a pretty dome, score the middle of the dome, and then tear a little nub of clay off a chunk that I've got right by my wheel and stick it down on that lid and begin shaping it. Now these are little tiny teapots, so it's just got to be a little tiny little finial. I'm going to be making this very narrow little shank here, and you've got to be very careful as you stroke the knob, otherwise it'll come off in your hand, as it were. So, making a little pretty ornament at the top, just to finish it off. I'm just going to smooth the profile of the dome, and that's the way you do it.